Start by removing the lower air dam. Use any means necessary to remove the plastic screws. Screwdriver, picks, pliers, whatever. This will probably be the worst part of the install. Once free, just toss to the side. Inside the bumper, disconnect the fog light wiring, remove the 8 nuts holding the bumper on, you should be able to remove the bumper now. You'll have to remove 2 more plastic screws to remove the frame cover. We give up playing nice and just drill them out. Just toss the frame cover in a pile of stock parts. Then put the bumper in place, start 1 bolt on each side to hold it. If you have the optional D-ring brackets, install them now. Tighten all 8 bolts and you're good to go. For more information, head over to Steinjager.com. Be sure to follow us on YouTube and Facebook to see more awesome stuff that we're working on. Thanks for watching.